I'm in a house in East Northport. We just went into contract yesterday on this house, and the house is a disaster. It requires not quite a hazmat suit, but it's covered in cat food cans and beer cans and just general garbage. I'm about to do a walkthrough. I haven't really seen it, but that's what I've been told. We're hiring a cleaning crew to come in this week, even though we're not going to close, probably for a few weeks, but I want to make sure the house is left clean. I also understand there may be a leftover cat in this house, and I want to make sure the cat doesn't die in that house. So I'm going to see if I can find some food for it as well, and then we'll go the next step. But let's get into the house. Here we go. This is the garage. Let me get further back so you can get a view. The garage probably is around, the pile's around 4 to 5 feet, even 6, 7 feet at its peak high of stuff. The house smells. I know I put a mask on, but I can't speak when my mask is on. I'm in a full-blown mask, not a COVID mask. And oh my gosh, I have no idea what's in here. A TV, another TV, a third TV. There are a bunch in the garage. Oh man, they're right about the cans. Bag of cans. Cans all over the floor. These are cat food cans. How many cats do you have to have that many cans? Oh my gosh. Beer cans. And a big safe. Well, here, let's take a look at the boiler. Let's take a look. I'm not sure I can get there. I'll have to do that later with the flashlight. There's a bath down here I didn't know. Somebody was living in this house until a few weeks ago. Hard to believe. It's a high ranch. I'm just the first floor. There's a bedroom down here, which is typical. This room's the cat food can room. We just left the beer can room. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Somebody left the light on here. We sent in a couple cleaning crews to give us a quote on cleaning out this house. Okay. It's a job I wouldn't want. I didn't want to walk through the house. Okay. More cat food cans. This just blows my mind. We've been to many hoarder houses, but this is not like any I've ever seen. They usually hoard stuff, things they purchased and so on. That's my experience. Wow. Okay. There's the hallway, the living room. I don't see the kitchen. I see a bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom, but so far I don't know where this person slept. Second bedroom. I don't know what's on the floor. And I don't want to know. Third bedroom. It's decent. This house could actually be nice. And here is the bathroom. I think redo this one. So one last room to find, and that is the kitchen. I didn't know where it was. And here it is. Oh, beer cans neatly stacked in the box. Here's the beer can room. Holy moly. Somebody was living here within the last month. How is that conceivable? Anyway, I'm going to try to see if I can find some cat food, since the first cleaning guys who were here thought there's a cat in the house somewhere. Anyway, we'll give you an update as we go through this house.